Oh wait, where's your pointer? This is your pointer. That thing's too small. Okay. But Kirby sleepover. It's this guy's birthday, and this guy's his best friend. His name is Riley. Rowley. These guys are playing cards.
Get in there a little bit.
These guys over here are playing cards, and he threw his soda because he lost. This guy is a nerd, and that guy's wondering why the heck he's there. These guys are in the pool, and that guy jumped so hard off the diving board, he fell and had to snatch right there to stop from falling into my room. That's me, with a black eye. I have a music player, Pringles, a hat, and soda. That's Malia. She's jumping off a ledge under her bed. That's a drawer.